Clinton, we're going to try a mini helmet, man. 237. We're going to roll till we hit it. 2, 3, or 7. That's a 5. That's a 1. And that's a 3. Box number 3, mini helmet. Make sure I got that right. That wasn't a jersey. The jerseys just came in yesterday. I think it was a helmet, though. Break helmet. Yeah. Alright, here we go, man. Box number 3. It's a Packer. And it is Paul Hornung. Right? Yep. Paul Hornung. Hall of Fame 86. Mini autograph helmet. Leaf authenticated on that one. There you go. And your cards down in there. Alright, Clinton, that'll do it, man. I'll get that out tonight. Thanks, bud.